What are the easiest crops anyone can grow in the UK? Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and today we're going to talk about what are the easiest crops you can grow in your garden and allotment. So make a note of these and give them a try. If you're a new gardener, these will be perfect for you to give a go and see if you can get growing them. And the easiest ones, I have to say, personally, myself, has to be a courgette plant. And once you get it growing, you will be inundated with absolutely loads of courgettes. Now, usually the packet will come with about 10 seeds in it, and you'll probably only need about 3 or 4 plants. Obviously sow them all and see which ones grow the best, and then once they're big enough, plant them outside once the chance of frost is gone, and you will have so many courgettes. And you can grow them in pots as well, obviously 1 plant per pot, but yeah, you can grow them in pots as well. The other ones have to be spring onions, another easier one to grow. You can sow them straight into the ground or plant them into the pots what disintegrate, and once they get big enough, plant the pot outside into the ground, and yeah, you'll get a nice clump of spring onions. Next up is beetroot, another easy one to grow, and it can fill any gaps in like rows and stuff like that in the garden. Absolutely fantastic. Lettuce, I always go for the iceberg lettuce, another really easy one to grow. However, they all seem to be ready at the same time, and you can't keep up with eating them, and you have to pick them fast because they'll go to seed fast if you don't pick them fast enough. So that's another easy one to grow. Next up are runner beans, another one. The more you pick them, the more they'll keep cropping, and you'll get absolutely loads of runner beans on. And you can grow them on a wigwam, or you can grow them along some canes or against a fence. Perfect for growing up fences. And you can grow them in a pot as well. If you've got a nice big pot, put the wigwam in the pot and grow them up the pot. So another one that you can grow in a garden if you've not got any soil to grow them in. Absolutely perfect. Next up, it has to be sweet corn. Really easy to grow. Once it gets going, there'll be no stopping it, and you have to plant them in blocks. You can't plant them in pots. They won't do no good in pots because they have to be close to one another so that they pollinate with one another. When the wind blows, it will pollinate them and produce the cobs on them. So they need to be in the ground. Sweet corn. Another one has to be tomatoes. Easy, straightforward plant, and you'll get absolutely loads of tomatoes on. And there's so many varieties now that you can grow outside. So if you've not got a greenhouse, try growing them outside. I'd stick to the smaller ones, not the big ones, because they do need a lot of sun to help ripen them. So try the small ones if you're growing them outdoors. So a fantastic one to grow. Cucumber, another easy one to grow. I grow the Market More variety and always have great crops with them. Now, I once grew those outside because I've not got room in my polytunnel, and they grew absolutely fantastic. So try the Market More variety and you can get some great ones growing outside. What else is there what's easy to grow? Now, radishes, another easy one to grow, fastest growing vegetable around, and you will get some great crops from it. So those are my top easiest vegetables to grow in the garden. If you're starting out, great ones to try, and you will get some great crops from them. So let me know in the comments which one's your easiest vegetable to grow, and yeah, make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with all our videos. Until next time, everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.